stop before September 2025. Don't say I did not warn you guys. A lot of you watching me right now are actually guilty of what I'm about to tell you guys in this particular video. You guys need to stop that particular thing you're always doing. In fact, in all of my videos, in the comment section, it is always there. Those of you always going to type done and waiting, done and waiting. I'm going to be leaving them, like the few ones I can actually see in my comment section. I'm going to be putting them right here for you guys to see. Now is the time for you to stop doing that. A lot of YouTubers, a lot of creators will not tell you to stop doing that. You know why? Because it is actually giving them engagement. You know, whenever you come and you just put, oh, done and waiting, and people are there connecting, done and waiting. It's giving them engagement. YouTube will think, oh, this particular video is actually doing well. It's getting a lot of engagement. Let me just push this more out. So to that creator, to the owner of that video, it's actually like, it is like you guys are helping them boost it more to the algorithm. I'm not saying you cannot leave a comment in the comment section. You can actually leave a comment. You can like comment towards the video. Oh, this particular thing is actually, but you see that done and waiting. Even me right now, I'm supposed to be saying, oh, this done and waiting that people actually typing in my comment section is actually helping you, because the amount of done and waiting I have in my comment section is actually more than people actually contributing to the video itself. It's just as if I just made that video and everybody's saying done and waiting, like the percentage is very, very, very high. But then let me tell you something. If you're doing that done and waiting and you do not stop before September 2025, then forget it, because your channel will never grow. See, I'm not even mincing words. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything for you. No matter all the strategy, no matter everything you do, you will never, ever grow your YouTube channel. And that is the plain truth and the factual truth. See, I have to be very honest with you. Even though I know this might really hurt me, because when done and waiting reduce for my comment section, it means my own comment is actually going to reduce too. I know, right? But then, what is my gain when I'm actually getting views, getting recommendation? YouTube is boosting my own videos and my audience are not getting their desired results. What is my own gain? Is that not selfishness on my part? So that's why I just have to like make this video to tell you that what you guys don't know. In fact, let me just show you. I'm going to show you two of my videos right now. Okay, let me just pick up my phone. This particular video, I posted it to YouTube and you can see your views are up by 74%. More subscribers are choosing to watch this video, helping to increase its reach on YouTube recommendation. Can you see? More subscribers. They did not say more audience. Meaning YouTube will actually test your video first before YouTube push out your video. You guys have been trying this method. You want YouTube to push you out, but then you are going for the wrong subscribers. You're just doing done and waiting. What if the person is not interested in your content? And then you make your video and the person watch your video. The person is like somebody can even just scroll. The person can just subscribe. Okay, just for subscribing's sake. Because, okay, done and waiting. You say if you go and subscribe, the person subscribes to you. Let's say the person is into food, like how to make cooking, like all these cooking videos and all, but you are not interested in cooking. You don't even like cooking. The sight of cooking alone annoys you, like you don't even like to see it. So imagine the person's video now pops up. What are you going to do? Are you not going to scroll away? Views are up by 74%. More subscribers. You can see more subscribers, meaning YouTube push it to your subscriber first. And you guys, you need to get the right subscriber. If you keep doing done and waiting, you will not get that subscribers and your videos will keep dragging. No matter how hard, no matter if you like, use the best editor, use the best thumbnail, use everything. As long as your audience, as long as your subscribers are actually not watching that your video first during the test phase, and you don't know, the test phase is between 24 hours to 72 hours when you upload the video. Within the first 24 hours to 72 hours, YouTube will test that video and see, okay, are subscribers actually watching this particular video? So when YouTube see that your subscribers are watching this particular video, that's when YouTube will now push it. You'll now be getting other audiences. Okay, let me show you another of my video that didn't really do well. So you will see what YouTube, you guys, okay, look at the graph. You can see it's going up. YouTube is recommending it. Let me show you another of my video that didn't really do well. Okay, I also posted this video. YouTube said subscribers are choosing to watch this video less often than usual, contributing to 51% fewer views. YouTube did not say your audience. YouTube did not say viewers. YouTube says subscribers. Like they're actually checking you. And you can see that the arrow is actually flat line. Because my subscribers do not really have interest in this particular video, what did YouTube do? Instead of the arrow going up for them recommending it, the arrow just went flat. everything about this video is down because my subscribers are not interested in this video. So there is no way YouTube is going to push out this video to people that are not my subscribers outside, as long as my own audience are not good. So those of you doing done and waiting, this is what is going to be happening to your channel. This particular screenshots you are seeing right here, YouTube will just leave it lined. YouTube, no matter what you like to do, if you like, make the best video, use the best camera, get lighting, do a lot of things, do makeup, look beautiful, look posh, yeah? Use the best of Queen's English. No matter what you do in that particular video, it's not a course. I'm just trying to be very, very real and honest with you guys. So if you know that you really want to grow, stop doing that done and waiting. Stop it. Stop it. Even though I know it will affect me too, because I know my own engagement self, it might go down. Like I said earlier on. But I have to be honest. We just have to say the truth. You guys just need to stop it. You can make comments. See, unless the person have interest in your video. I'm not saying you cannot subscribe to one another. You can subscribe to one another. In fact, it is actually very good when you subscribe and engage to one another. But make sure that before you subscribe to somebody, you have interest. You have interest in something you like. It's not like me now. You're actually doing sports. Me, I don't like sports. If you see me, if I say anything sports, I used to scroll up. If you're doing sports and you tell me that, oh, done and waiting, and I subscribe to you, forget it. I'm not going to watch your video. If you like, use the best thumbnail. If you like, put Ronaldo, put Messi, the best player. I'm not going to watch that video because I don't like sports, especially football. I don't watch it. So this is just a call for you. So if you have been doing that, now is the time for you to stop. Start 2025 on a new note. We are almost entering 2025. We are almost entering September 2025. So start it on a new note, please, so that YouTube can really say, oh, you can get your own genuine subscribers. I'm not saying, okay, like I said, you can tell people subscribe to this only if they have interest. Not that you just be making them feel obligated to subscribe to you. I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to just come right here because I saw this particular thing. I said, okay, let me just tell you guys, in case if you have been making this mistake and you will never grow. You will never. You will never. I'm not cursing anybody. I'm not, but it's just the main truth. That's just how YouTube works. I know some people will say, hey, she's cursing us. God forbid. God forbid. But sometimes we have to be very realistic. We just have to be real. We have to think logically. Imagine you just being done. Why? Please, if you find this particular video, do what to hit on the subscribe button, do what to like, do what to share, and do what to comment. Don't say because I did not say you should not put done and waiting there, you will not comment. Comment your thoughts. It's not a must to use done and waiting. Hey? Comment your... Well, instead of using done and waiting, you can actually just say, I am in so and so niche. If you are interested, this is also another logical way to do it. Put your niche out there. Don't just say done and waiting. You can say, I'm in the cooking niche. If you're interested in watching cooking videos, kindly subscribe to me. I'm in African folktale niche. If you're interested in African folktale news, kindly check out my videos and subscribe to me. Mention your niche. Don't just be saying done and waiting, done and waiting, done and waiting. No. All right. See you. Peace out. One love. Bye, guys.